Change the boiler to a combi boiler. I have to lose my ceiling because I can't get another panel for this roof, so I'm going to have to get a plasterboarded ceiling. I have to get a new ceiling. Can't get the plasterboard for the ceiling, you know, so I have to get